Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. We're finally going to be working on 335i. We're going to add some small cosmetic mods, but also we got a performance mod that I'm excited about. I want to see if it makes a difference. But let me go ahead and give y'all an update about my E46. A lot of y'all been asking me about it, so let's go ahead and do that. A lot of y'all guys know I just recently wrapped my E46 not too long ago. For those who are asking, I did sell my wheels. I sold it to one of my friends, and he's rocking on his E90 now. It's looking pretty good, but not much being done to the E46 other than being a nice daily driver. So I'm still showing love to the E46. She looking really good right now. So here's the 335i. Still looking a little bit stark, because guys, trust me, 335i mods are pretty expensive for us. Like we're not one of those people that, you know, grew up rich or anything. We had to work everything on our own and try to buy everything on our own. So it's taking us a little bit longer since we do got like bills and all that shit. So still looking pretty stock. We're gonna add a few little cosmetic mods, and then we're gonna go inside the engine bay and add a performance mod. So let's go see what Thomas is going to go ahead and order. The first little small mod Thomas is gonna add are these two: the carbon fiber antenna cover, the bumper reflectors, and he also got this high kick on carbon fiber wing for the trunk. And also the small little mod, performance mod he got is the SSR performance end tanks, which I think is pretty cool. We got this sent out to us, so we're gonna see how good they work, and hopefully everything goes good. You can see right there where it say SSR performance. Hopefully this makes the engine breathe better and also make it sound a little bit better. So we'll do a before and after. Alright guys, so we just cleaned the inside as much as we could, and it's a pretty easy mod. You just go ahead and put double side tape on this and just put it like that, and it should stick in. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, before anybody says it, I know a lot of guys prefer the amber look, but to me and Thomas, we don't like no orange amber, and we just prefer like smoked out or clear. So it looks pretty good. So here's the final result. It's looking pretty good. It looks way better than the amber in my opinion. I know, like I said, I know some of you guys like the amber look, but personally us, we don't like it. Okay guys, me and Thomas were talking. If we can get 300 likes on this video, we're gonna go ahead and order some Brom seats for the E46. And I don't know, I'm kind of excited. If we can get 300 likes, I'll go ahead and order them right now, since I was gonna get them, but they're kind of expensive. But if we get 300 likes, I'll just go ahead and order. This definitely need an upgrade for some new seats. So 300 likes and I'll go ahead and pull the trigger. We also blacked out the trims. A lot of y'all knows that we don't like chrome either, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We just talking about cheap mods you can do to your 335i, not very expensive. So that looks 100 times better in my opinion. I just wanted to give y'all like a little update on what we did on the 335i. Now it's time to install the spoiler. We first gotta clean it because it's a little bit dirty. You can't really see it in the video, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. God, this wing is looking pretty good. We still haven't taped it down. We're just trying to see how the fitment is, and it's looking pretty good. I like this angle a lot right here. It looks very aggressive. We're gonna go ahead and mount it on and show you how it looks after it. Guys, not gonna lie, this little carbon fiber wing, it made the rear look so aggressive. Thomas, how you feel about your wing?
Good.
It looks hella good. I'm surprised it did that major difference. Like, you know, the small little things do the biggest difference, and this is one of those times, because this wing looks so amazing. Some of y'all guys might not like it, but that looks perfect to me. Since we just finished installing all the cosmetic mods, we're gonna go ahead and try to install the intakes. Time's about to get a little cold start for you guys. Let's see how a stock exhaust sound like. That's all stock right there. Sounds pretty good. Alright guys, so this is how it sounds without the intakes. So it's not really, you can still hear it, but not a lot. Let's see how it sounds after we install this intake. The first thing you want to do is just pop this vacuum hose line out. I'll show you more as I go. Like I said, I'm not going to really be explaining it too much, but I am going to be like saying what I'm doing. So it should be good. Let's go ahead and remove this hose out. So I pop everything up and I loosen that little clamp. Now there's gonna be another clamp that you got loosen, but it's all the way. Now you can't even see in the camera. It's all the way inside here, so you might want to use a little flat screwdriver and get it out. Yeah, there you go. You can see it a little bit, just that little gray bolt. Now you really can't see it, but it's gonna be all the way back there. You'll see it. You'll know what I'm talking about. I can't really show it in camera, but let's go ahead and remove that, and then we can just go ahead and pop this box out. Alright guys, I was really dumb. I should have taken this L filter and this cover out so I could reach in there a little bit better. But anyways, I got it. I think you just gotta pull up, and then for the back, just use a little Phillips heads and get it out. But you might want to get a very long one, that way, because it's all the way in the back. So I'll pick up the video once I have this whole box out. Alright guys, we just took the box out. It was kind of very easy, not gonna lie. This is actually taking me like 5 minutes to do. It's not hard. We might clean this up so it can look a little bit more presentable, but yeah, we might just go see if it makes a little difference or something. Highly doubt it, but at least the engine bay will look a lot cleaner. Alright guys, so we cleaned it up as much as we can. It looks way better than how it did. Let's go ahead and start this intakes, and hopefully everything goes good. Alright guys, so what we gotta do is tighten this intakes and then just go and tighten the other one. Okay guys, we got the intakes on. All we gotta do is connect these vacuum hoses back up until you hear it click, and now go ahead and start it, Thomas. Let's see, let's get the first start right here. It was actually very easy guys. It's a very easy engine mod if you want to go ahead and do it. I recommend it. Well, let me not recommend it yet. Let me see how it sounds. You definitely can hear it. Yeah, it's not a big difference, but I mean, it looks better, it looks cleaner. I mean, I'm sure it's doing a little thing better, but can't really hear a difference. I don't know if it's because it's not tuned or what, but it's alright. It wasn't too expensive. It looks better though. It looks way cleaner. It does sound. Thomas, did you notice something different?
I hear a little bit, but not long.
There's just a little difference, right? It looks pretty cool though. If you're trying to get a lot of horsepower and then you add this, it's not gonna add a lot, maybe max 10 to 5, I don't know. And maybe if you add charge pipes, get it tuned, down pipes and all that, blow off valve, and do everything like that, you'll get more horsepower. But for sure, it looks way cleaner. I like how it's popping out the motor. If you look at it from far away, it looks very aggressive. Damn, Thomas, now you can gain 200 horsepower. How you feel, man?
Wow.
Dang. Now you can slap like a sticker there saying fast as fuck.
Hell no.
So we pretty much just added everything we bought. Maybe we'll probably try and go for a spin, Thomas.
Let's go ahead.
All right, let's see if it makes a difference. I highly doubt it though, but let's just go ahead and go look. Let me put my seatbelt back on. There you go.
I got. We can go ahead and see.
See if it made a difference. Damn.
Fuck.
It didn't make much difference, but you can feel. Nah, you
I
really can't. I can't feel it. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. You can't really feel nothing.
That's the same to me.
So, but damn, I mean, at least it looks better. You can't really tell a difference, to be honest.
What do you think about it?
It's fast. It's way faster than my E46. God, I miss working on this car so much. I want an E36 so bad. That way I can have an E46, E36, and E92. Man, I'm gonna work so hard, guys. Trust me, mark my words. I'm gonna work so hard so I can have those 3 cars. I'm working as hard as I can, but you know, patience is key. But that don't mean you gotta just lay up and sit your ass around. You gotta work hard, and I'm trying to work as hard as I can so I can achieve everything I want to do. But let me know if you enjoyed this video, guys. It was like some cheap mods. That's why I think I'm gonna title the video cheap mods for your 335i. And to be honest, it's all under like $300. And I think it's very much worth it. I can't wait to install all car parts. Like I said, we want to do a rebuilding series on this neglected E46. Let me know if y'all still want to see that, like E46 content. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right quick. Alright guys, so let me know if you enjoyed this video. Drop some comments down below if you think it was a good idea going with SSR intakes or VRSF. I don't know, leave your thoughts below. Also drop a like if you enjoyed this video. You know, some cheap mods for your 335i. Everybody can afford it. So and drop a like if you want to see more E46 content, because I know a lot of y'all subscribers are subscribed because of E46, and we're trying to like change up the game with, you know, with 335i's, E36, still be in the BMW community because we love BMWs. And also, you know, be positive, guys, and as always, stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
Now it's 20 years later, someone far across the ocean. Here I am chilling with the